Guys, welcome back to another drone flight of Entre Legends. Today we are in Bell Green in South East London, so without further ado, let's take off. Alright, no trees in the way, as you can see. We're now airborne. We're now just going to do a 360 photo, like we usually do, and then we'll just zip around this area. So it's a really hot day again. Hot. Absolutely hot today. I mean, it's a bit cooler today because there's a bit of cloud cover. Like, there's a band of clouds. So I thought, because it's a bit cooler, let's do a drone flight. On the way here, it actually got a bit cloudy. And I was worried that I'm going to get a cloudy drone flight, but then it got sunny again. So I was like, no, it's alright now. So the good thing is that the sun's come out again now. So what we'll do a 360 photo, then we'll just zip around this area. All alright, 360 photo is now complete. What we'll do now, we'll just zip around Sydenham. I mean, we're near Sydenham anyway, so what we're gonna do, let's go towards this area down here. There's a B&Q over here, there's a Curry's. Let's just explore this area. Good thing is that there's a little bit of a breeze today, so it helps me get cool down. It helps cool me down, so that's a good thing. It's a bit cooler, but the only bad thing is that it's going to make the drone work a little bit harder. But at least it's a bit cooler today, so it's still really hot. Don't get me wrong, it's still so hot, like 30 degrees. The other day we got close to 34, 35 when I did a drone flight in Norfolk Park and Uxbridge. That was the hottest day of May 2026. And I've also done one in the day before that. I went in Neasden, I went in Barnet, 2 places in Barnet and 1 place in Brent. I did a drone flight, similar place to here, which is New Southgate. And this drone flight is completely solar charged. Just explore the neighbourhood of Sydenham. I mean, we're near Sydenham, that's why I'm calling it Sydenham as well as Bell Green. We're in London Borough of Lewisham in South East London. Did I mention that? So yeah, the sun's come out in full now, which is good. What we'll do, just explore this area. I'm standing in the shade now so we don't get baked. So it's a big retail park here in South East London. I don't know where I'll go next. I got my mini free battery charged, so probably go somewhere like in either another place in Lewisham or probably go down to Croydon or somewhere like that because I'm near the area. Or down to Bromley as well. I was thinking of doing drone flight in Bromley, but I don't know how this weather's panning out because of the wind. That's a loud motorbike. Let's track it down. There's 2 of them. And it's gone cloudy as well. Part cloudy. What's mad is you can hear it from all the way down there. Look how far those motorbikes have gone. They've gone down towards here. Bring them down to this area. I have no idea. Well, it seems as if the sun has gone away now. It's played hide and seek. The sun. Got McDonald's right here. Oh, look at that! Look on top of this sign. What's a Sava Centre? I've never seen that before. Actually, you know what? No, on the maps, when I was looking, I saw that. I thought I was owned, but it turns out it's still there, which is actually insane. I think they left it there because it's on top of the roof of Sainsbury's. I think that's that's what it used to be called. It used to be called a service centre, which is actually kind of interesting. I'm getting a shot of that. We've got solar panels on top as well. It's quite a big Sainsbury's here in South East London, in the Borough of Lewisham. What else have we got in this area? We got a let's go down towards down here, South End Lane. There's a lot of cranes in this area as well. Of course, I've got to make sure that our drone does not hit the crane. I'm careful anyway, so. How tall is the crane? Is it taller than 400 feet? Let's see where the cranes is. The crane's all the way down there anyway. So there's a self-storage access right over here. Let's get a tour of that. There's a block of flats in this area as well. Let's get a shot of that as well. Wind's picked up again now. Good thing the sun's come out now. Let's go towards this area. Let's go down towards this area down here. Let's go towards the neighbourhood of this area. And I think that's towards the town centre of Sydenham. I was thinking I was taking off at Sydenham, but I thought this place has got a lot of places, so that's why I came here. Maybe I might take off thereafter, I'll see where to go. Going towards Sydenham. We also got an area near here called Beckenham. I might go there next time after this drone flight. Let's get a shot of this area down here. What we'll do, let's get a shot of this area down here. Let's come back towards the same road. Get to this area down here. Got a train over here, southeastern train. A lot of motorbikes down there. There's a lot of motorcyclists. Anyway, let's come back towards this area now. Lower Sydenham. There's another bridge here, look at that. Go down towards this area down here. A lot of pigeons are coming in now because someone's feeding the pigeons. You know what's nice, isn't it? Someone feeding pigeons. To be honest, I had the same thing. Someone was also feeding the pigeon when I flew in Forest Hill, which is also in the same borough. So yeah, it's kind of a coincidence. Alright, so let's get a shot of the crane area, construction area. We're gonna fly around it, but we're not gonna go anywhere near the cranes because otherwise. Actually, you know what? Yeah, our drone's higher than the crane, so it's alright, but I still don't want to risk it. You can see the construction. There's got an Audi right over here. Look at that. That's an amazing shot. A lot of birds are coming here now. It's like music for the birds. Having bread. Let's get a tour of this area down here. Oh my god, there's crazy amount of pigeons here. I think if I land my drone here, it's gonna make them shook as well. So I'm gonna like just do it away from here. Following that bin truck all the way down towards there. Got this white car back towards the area down here. There's a crane area down here as well. Let's just land the drone now. Got the back of Audi right over here. Let's check out this area. Alright, I'm probably going to land my drone here while the birds have their dinner. While the pigeons have their dinner. Let's get a shot of this area down here. Got a lot of things down here, literally. I'm going to bring my drone here and I'm going to show you. Look at all these pigeons down here. And I think the clouds are coming now in front of the sun, so perfect time to land anyway. So the perfect time to take off as well. Alright, we started now. We'll land it next to the red car. In that parking spot. It's actually mad. We can choose a parking spot for our drone by landing it. Let me show you the pigeons though, right here. This is where I took off before. Let's quickly get an orbit shot of that. That's where they are. Look. Alright, gotta land a drone quite quickly. Alright, so that was my amazing drone flight here in Bell Green in the London Borough of Lewisham in South East London. I hope you enjoyed this drone flight and I'll speak to you in the next one. Thank you for watching.